Now we are on part 51 of our digital marketing journey, and let's continue talking about digital marketing for today's video. Infographics are graphics that visually represent the information you're trying to convey. They are a great alternative to text-heavy articles. For example, instead of writing a lengthy article on 20 effective ways to write engaging content, you can create an infographic that presents these points graphically. Infographics are easier to understand as they use visuals and minimal jargon, making it more appealing and comprehensible for the audience. They break the monotony of plain text and provide an organized and visually appealing layout. One of the advantages of infographics is their shareability on social media platforms. They can be shared as posts, saved on different social media platforms, and engage the audience in a unique way. Infographics have the ability to tell a story effectively and capture the attention more than plain text. However, it is important to note that infographics are not the only option. Video and images can also be used to convey information and create engaging content, offering alternative ways to present your messages. White hat techniques emphasize natural and organized content creation, utilizing infographics, videos, and images as effective means of engaging the audience and presenting information in a visually appealing and shareable format. You have the option to include videos or images in your content, particularly in blog posts. Sometimes, a video or image alone can effectively convey your message without the need for extensive text. Visual elements have the power to communicate a wealth of information and capture the audience's attention. Incorporating different forms of content such as infographics, videos, and images can enhance engagement and improve the ranking of your web page. When users spend more time on your web page, it signals to Google that they are engaged, leading to favorable rankings. By utilizing infographics, videos, and images, you can increase the likelihood of capturing and maintaining user engagement compared to poorly organized and unclearly written text. It is important to be creative in the types of content you use to effectively convey your message. According to HubSpot, longer and engaging content tends to perform well with search engines. Increasing the word count can improve your chances of ranking higher. However, it is crucial to adhere to best practices such as breaking up the content with images, maintaining organization, and utilizing headers. It is not just about the quantity of words, but also how they are written, structured, and the keywords used. Engaging with your audience and considering these best practices are vital factors to consider for achieving better results on search engines. Now, to create high-quality content, follow these steps. Start with a comprehensive introduction. Introduce your content in a way that it is relevant to the chosen keywords. Align your content with the user's search intent, such as providing banana bread recipes or tips for making the best homemade bread. Create a click-worthy title. Craft a title that grabs attention and entices users to click. Consider using engaging phrases like easy perfect yeast bread or best bread recipes to attract readers. Incorporate LSI or latent semantic indexing keywords. Use long-tail keywords that are semantically related to your content. This helps search engines understand the context and relevance of your content. Use keywords in headings and subheadings. Include your target keyword and its variations in headings and subheadings, which keeps your content focused and easily scannable for readers. Keep sentences and paragraphs concise. Break up long paragraphs and use shorter sentences. This improves readability and makes it easier for readers to digest the information. Include internal links. Incorporate relevant internal links within your blog post, which helps users navigate your website and improves the overall user experience. Images with alt tags. Break up the text by incorporating images. Remember to add descriptive alt tags to the images so that even if they don't load, the text will provide information about the image. Call-out boxes. Utilize call-out boxes to highlight important points or key information within your content. These boxes can visually enhance the content and draw attention to specific details. Regular content updates. Keep your content fresh and up-to-date. Continuously strive to improve and provide the best possible information, whether it's updating recipes or finding new ways to present the content. Call to action, or CTA. Include a clear call to action in your content, prompting users to take a specific action. This could be subscribing to a newsletter, sharing the content, or engaging in further discussion. By following these steps, you can create high-quality content that keeps readers engaged, offers valuable information, and encourages them to take action. For example, BuzzFeed's post titled 21 Pictures That Restore Your Faith in Humanity. It demonstrates engaging content with high level of users' interaction through likes and shares. Now, to create quality content, it is crucial to consider various elements and adhere to best practices. Now, let's summarize the important information. The do's. Answer the questions that users are seeking. Utilize different types of content such as infographics, videos, text, and images. Incorporate images from public domain sites. Use relatable examples to clarify your points. Simplify complex words and avoid sophisticated language. Write in a conversational tone that resonates with your audience. Employ bullet points to emphasize your examples and key points. Provide proper credit and attribution when using images from other websites, ideally using your own images or stock photography. Offer valuable and comprehensive information to your audience, meeting their expectations and providing the best content. Break up your content with headings and titles for improved readability. Use your own imagery whenever possible to enhance the uniqueness of your content. Keep paragraphs concise and avoid lengthy blocks of text. Incorporate images to complement and support your content. And lastly, address the questions and concerns of your audience effectively. Now moving on to the don'ts. Avoid plagiarizing or copying the content from other websites. Refrain from using excessive jargon or complex terminology. Avoid taking images from other websites without permission or proper credit. Steer clear of providing insufficient or inadequate information to your audience. Refrain from using long paragraphs that may hinder engagement. And lastly, don't overlook the importance of incorporating relevant images and answering users' questions. When creating high-quality content, it is essential to engage with your audience, provide valuable information, and present it in a unique and accessible manner. By adhering to these guidelines, you can ensure that your content is original, relevant, and engaging to your readers. To ensure high rankings in Google search, it is crucial to optimize on-page elements and website-level factors. Now let's delve into an overview of these elements and factors. Optimizing on-page elements involves various aspects, with a focus on meta tags, specifically meta description tags, header tags or title tags, and URLs. These elements should be optimized by incorporating relevant keywords to improve search rankings. Next, website-level factors also influence ranking on Google search. These factors include website architecture, ensuring a secure website, implementing a sitemap, and optimizing page speed. Considering these aspects is essential to achieve higher precision in search results. The title tag and meta description, collectively known as meta tags, play a significant role in achieving a higher ranking on Google. It is crucial to write unique and distinct title tags and meta descriptions for each page on your website. The title tag appears in search results as a bolded headline, while the meta description provides a concise description of the page below the URL. Creating unique and informative meta tags is vital as they accurately describe the content and purpose of your page, aiding users in understanding what the page is about. By optimizing these on-page elements and website-level factors, you increase your chances of ranking higher in Google search, ultimately improving your online visibility and attracting more organic traffic. Google utilizes meta tags, specifically the title tag and meta description tag, in search result pages. It is important to pay attention to the length of these tags. Generally, the title tag should be around 60 to 65 characters, while the meta tag description tag should be around 160 characters. Exceeding these limits may result in truncation of the tags, which can impact the visibility and effectiveness of your content. When writing title and meta description tags, it is crucial to minimize keyword repetition. Rather than simply stuffing the keyword multiple times, the focus should be on creating naturally written tags that address the user's needs. For instance, if someone is searching for a banana bread recipe with dried figs, the title tag and meta description should provide a compelling and relevant response to the query. While avoiding keyword repetition, it is still advisable to include a keyword in a title tag. As we learned earlier, Using the keyword in a title tag is important for search engine results. However, the emphasis should be on avoiding excessive use or stuffing of the keyword. And that ends the part of our discussion about digital marketing. I hope you learned something from today's video. If you like it, please subscribe and click the like button. Also, turn on the notification bell to be notified of future videos like this. Have a great day ahead and stay tuned for part 52.